आता खबरो विस्तारान. जिल्लो कायदो अधिकरणान राज्य कायदो अधिकरणाच्या जोडपालवान विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर लिगल लिटरसी क्लबाचें उक्तावण करपाचें थारायलां. ह्या क्लबांत 10 विद्यार्थी एक शिक्षिका वांगडी आसपाची गरज आसा, अशी माहिती शबनम शेख हिणें दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
That is called as National Legal Services Authority. So what the National Legal Services Authority does is that propagating legal education among the masses, that means among our people, but that till date was being propagated among the adults only.
Experience is that whatever we learn at our early age, maybe in primary schools and the secondary schools, that stays with us for all the life and all the times to come. So I think that there are 3 distinct objects for introducing these legal literacy clubs in schools.
District Legal Service Authority in association of State Legal Service Authority have organized a program here to open a legal literacy club for the students, and this legal literacy club is opened in view of the direction of NALSA. And in this legal literacy club there has to be 10 students, a member and 1 teacher, who have to create awareness, legal awareness among other students in the schools. And these students have also to do best of theirs to create awareness among other students. And the NALSA has given us direction to open such legal literacy club throughout the North District. In North District altogether, District Legal Service Authority have opened 35 legal literacy clubs, and still we are in the process of opening more legal literacy clubs in all the schools. These legal literacy schools are open in the view of the direction of NALSA, which is at Delhi, and this NALSA is created under the Legal Service Authority Act 1947.